boy, double MC. Life is too short. Yo, so if you love somebody, show me if you love somebody. Tell me if you love somebody. Yeah, just tell somebody, I love you. Yeah, yeah. I'm not afraid to shout it. Hey, I'm not afraid to shout it. Oh, na na na. I love you. Say yeah, and there is no shame about it. So I'm not afraid to shout it. Oh, na, na, na.
Hello. My husband heard about this challenge called the Nature Cereal Challenge. So we're gonna try this out and see. Alright, I got some strawberries in there. And then I'm gonna add some blueberries.
I love blueberries.
And then some blackberries.
I never had a black.
I'll put some pomegranate in there. And then we're gonna add some Viva coconut water.
Anybody else want ice?
Nope.
No.
Bruh. I hope we ain't wasting all these fruits. Alright, so let's try this shit out. Stay in the camera. Alright. That's a lot of coconut water you put in there.
I know.
Are you eating the second spoon?
Which one third?
I was about to say more like 3.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's not bad.
If y'all like it, then I guess it's good, right? I ain't gotta try it.
Yeah.
What? 2 out of 3? What my vote gonna say?
It will tie it all together. Come on, X Factor. We need all 3 votes.
Make sure I get all of it. Okay, let me get some pomegranate, some strawberry, some. I can mix it up. I'm gonna try it again. I mean, we got the wrong coconut water. Y'all really finishing this shit? Okay.
I don't know how this went viral. This is like an unblended smoothie.
Right.
What happened?
You gave me a bowl of cereal. Fuck out of here with this shit. I don't like it.
Really?
It's alright, but
She's dead in her bowl of cereal.
yeah, some dad gave me a bowl of cereal. Y'all can enjoy this. What? The baby don't like it. I'm eating seeds. Are you supposed to eat the seeds?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I said L too when I was eating the pomegranate by itself, but in here it's
I told y'all 2 out of 3 ain't no difference. Y'all need it trying to eat healthy.
You know why?
Why?
Because you ain't from the islands.
I was gonna say something, but we were recording.
I think only island people gonna eat this shit. Or gonna like it.
There are some people on that viral thing. Maybe if you have sugar, I might like it. What? What?
The coconut milk is like sugar.
No, there ain't nothing sweet about that coconut milk.
The fruit is sweet itself.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, I got me a bowl of cereal.
Imagine they have fucking watermelon in here.
There's one where this woman used watermelon. Alright, as we said, two out of 3. Alright, it was alright.
Look it.
Try to eat out of my bowl. Got me a bowl of cereal.
I'm done with mine.
What? Mine is yours.
That's too much for me. I like it, but I don't like it like that.
Listen, maybe as a smoothie by itself, but they say it gives you energy, so you ain't going to sleep tonight.
Yeah, watching Naruto.
My enemy.
All right, we tried it. 2 out of 3.
It's really good though. You know, I wouldn't recommend it for everybody. Or not.
Why you gotta look at me?
No, I wasn't looking at you. I was just saying I wouldn't recommend for everybody. It's not something that's like, oh wow, like.
It's not something that should go viral.
Yeah, viral. I think the only reason it went viral is
Put this shit
because
in a fucking blender. Now we're talking.
yeah, make it into a smoothie. Probably that would taste better.
You
Right.
gotta understand that the world's getting healthier. We have plant-based everything, vegan-based everything. So we're just promoting to eat healthier.
Hey, it's gone so viral where we the ones trying it too.
Y'all tried it. You saw my vote. All right, we tried it, y'all.
They just share more like an unblended smoothie.
I'll probably eat it in the morning because, you know, we got to eat something healthy. But
Yeah. You don't like it. You eat it in the morning.
you're right. I'm going to blend it. So when you hear in the morning, you're going to be like, she just blended her nature cereal. Ain't no way I'm fucking eating this shit. I can't see myself eating. I don't know if it's like the blackberry that throws me off because the strawberry, but then at the same time, the strawberry is not ripe where I like it. Like if these fruits, I like fruits where it's ripe where it makes its own sugar. That's why I never eat my fruits right away when I buy it. I wait till it ripens a little bit and it'll make it to me and make its own sweetness. Like bananas, strawberries, any fruit, even mangoes. These fruits, we just bought these. We didn't even give it time in the house. So
You was talking about sweetness, and I just took a bite that was sweet as fuck.
there you go. That
I
was
had
your
a
bite.
mango smoothie today. That was delicious.
Yo,
How y'all eat the seeds though?
I don't know. Normally I just.
Don't that make you feel like you eating sunflower seeds without plucking the
Well,
shells
you
off?
ain't really eating it. You just bite it and swallow it. Oh my God. You ain't chewing
Did
into
you
it.
hear how you said that?
Yeah, biting and swallow.
And then you say it again. All right, you guys.